Hey guys, it's Trimatize. Welcome to my channel. So today, I have this very easy, quick and simple eye makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I completed this look, then definitely stay tuned. Firstly, I'm going ahead to prime my eyes with my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Medium Sand. To see how I got my brows together, please click the link on top of the screen. Going ahead with the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place and using that color as my transition shade. I do have hooded eyes, so my concealer might crease a tad bit. I dab in the eyeshadow to ensure that the color payoff is just as I like it, and I also use that eyeshadow to set my concealer as well. This first shade that you see me placing down will only be blended in the upper lid of the eye. Once it's blended out to my liking, we are going to move on to the second shade. So I'm going to use this dark brown shade from my NYX palette, and guys, don't judge me, don't judge my palette. I think I've had this for about 3 to 4 years now. Yes. Placing this deeper shade in my outer crease directly above my socket, this will create some type of dimension on the eyes. This will also lessen the appearance of my eyes being hooded just a tad bit. Ensure that you blend that darker shade into the light brown shade and keep away from the inner crease. This is where our shimmer shades, glitter, or even matte shades are going to go. You will see me go back in with that brown shade just to touch up and blend out any harsh edges of that dark brown color. I also make sure that everything is blended to my liking seamlessly before I move on. For my lid colors, I'll be going into the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, using the rose gold and a little from the pink shade. I'm placing the first shade directly on top of my lid, but bringing it up just a little above my natural lid to create the illusion that my lids are bigger than they seem. The trick is to go above the creases. Go above whatever folds that you have on your eyes if your eyes are hooded. Now I'm going in with just a little of the pink to bring that rose gold and dark brown shade together. Using my NYX liner just to create a little wing on the eyes and cleaning any excess up with a little bit of concealer. Now I'm using one of my favorite mascaras to make sure that my natural lashes blend in seamlessly with my falsies. So today I'll be wearing this fluffy pair of lashes from Velux from Ienvy called Dream Fit. I absolutely love them because they are perfect and they complement my hooded eyes. To finish up the eye look, I'll be going in with this eyeliner from J2 Professional in the shade Black in my waterline. I have extremely sensitive eyes, you guys. Like, this always happens to me. If this happens to you every time you wear eyeliner, please let me know down in the comment section. Let your girl know that she is not alone. Going in again with my mascara just to make sure that my bottom lashes are coming through with this beat. Oh, how I love that Maybelline mascara. Yes, honey. Yes. So this part is optional. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I tend to go in with my highlighter in my tear duct areas and also under my brow bone. This also makes the eyeshadow look pop and stand out. It just brings the entire look together. And there we have it, guys. Easy, simple, beautiful eyeshadow. Please let me know what you think about this look. Let me know if it's something that you would try. I think this look is perfect for brunch, even for a dinner, or most likely very classy for a wedding. This is an eye look that any and everybody can do. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and you keep your post notifications on for every single time I post a video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay safe and stay blessed.